you?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's going on, guys? Nate here from ETI. So the box finally got here. Obviously, it was inspected by customs because it has all the customs inspection tape on it. But these are the door cards. Big shout out to David for getting these put together and shipped out. We're gonna have the door cards plus the window trims in here. So just want to do a quick unboxing. Thank you guys again for all the support we've had for it. Clearly, you guys wanted it. We have like 40 people signed up for these parts. So good. So first we have this window trim. So with this, there's damage and it's broken here. So we're gonna have to go through and repair this. And as we repair it, we'll get it like it was originally. And then we have to make a jig. So we have to sit this flat. That way it actually sits flat against how your window would be. And we straighten it out. So we'll fix this. We're gonna 3D print the tabs that go in here, and then the rest of this will be all carbon. One thing that's gonna get deleted from here though is you have this vent that comes in. I don't see it going anywhere, so we're gonna get rid of this. Yeah, this is literally just a collection box or something, I think, for a speaker or whatever it is. Anyways, this piece we're probably gonna get rid of. All of your original holes, it'll be here along with this mounting tab and everything else. So there's one. Here is the second one, also broken. So we will take this and we will try to fix it, but yeah, we'll take this and try to fix it. It looks like it's just broken here in this one side. No, it's broken down here too. So this is gonna make it challenging because it's broken in the side. It's gonna make it challenging for fitment because again we don't have an SC300 to mock this up to, so we will repair this as best as we can. And I think this is going to be your passenger side for the left-hand drive guys. This pops right in. This, yeah, we'll make a jig, try to get it situated and put together. Oh, and it's broken in another spot. All right, so this one's actually really bad. This one's going to be very challenging to actually get right, but we will do our best. So the door card here is already separated the bottom piece from the top piece, but otherwise looks like it's mostly intact. So thing to note here is this door card is warped. Yeah, this door card's warped. So for these panels, we can just make holes and then you can actually mount for these. We're gonna remake these just flat. I know the other side has a position switch in there. So we're gonna go ahead and make these just flat as an option for a carbon add-on. We'll make the holes so that way it's interchangeable. The door piece here, let's see, one tab down here. This is broken. Okay, so this door card also is predominantly broken, but we will try to bring it back to life and we'll test fit to make sure everything's right. So we're going to put that again mostly flat on a jig because your door panel on the inside is going to be flat. There is going to be a curve, and I'll put this in the group chat later, but I believe you guys might actually have a natural curve at the top of the window. So I want to clarify if that's supposed to be completely flat or if it's supposed to be a little curve. That'll be very helpful to get. And then here is the last and final door card. This one actually looks much better. So this one will be pretty easy to do. We have so this is just screwed on from the inside with 2 screws, it feels like. So, but this, we're gonna go ahead and delete. This will be easy to make flat. These we're gonna have to button up together. And then looking at the quick comparison between these two, then we have this much larger opening that's over here. These we can kind of do a swap on them for the right-hand drive guys. So they look like they're just about the same. So with the pocket size in here, we're gonna go ahead and take and show you what I'm actually talking about. I mean the top here where the switch is and the top down here. It looks like the actual hole position sizes are fairly similar. So what we're going to do is we're going to literally just mirror the cut hole, and we'll make left hand, right hand the exact same, except for we will swap out where the cut hole is for the right hand drive guys. As for this one, condition wise, again, up here looks fine. I'm noticing the same curve that's at the top. It is broken here. This isn't attached, but the bottoms here are actually intact. The thing to note though is that this door card from the BM, it's actually warped. So I see it's warped here. The bottom is very heavily warped, and that's going to make it so if we were to just directly copy it, it would make it so you get your carbon part and it looks like this, which nobody wants. So we'll make a jig, flatten it out. I am going to have to take this, remake it fully in fiber, completely customize it again, and remake it again, and then take a mold from that. So it might take a little bit just because these parts are a little damaged. So it's going to take a little bit of work to get it right, but that's not a big issue. So yeah, we'll do that. And again, same thing, delete the position switch. You'll have the ability to change these in and out. Right hand, left hand doesn't look like a problem. And these will be probably 4 pieces being 1, 2, 3 the main door card, and then 4 being the actual bottom panel here itself. So yeah, that's it. But again, thank you guys. I'll keep you all updated, and group buy is going to close here on Monday. Thanks.